I am going to be offering the first yoga teacher training through Pranashama Yoga Institute in Bali this June 5th through July 7th. And we're going to be immersing ourselves in the amazing, beautiful culture of Bali, visiting the temples and going to the waterfalls and going on a dolphin sailing excursion and dances and the culture, and as well as doing some really beautiful things. We're visiting an orphanage while we're there, and we're going to be teaching yoga to the children in the orphanage. And we're going to invite them back to do yoga with us once a week if they want to. And eating healthy food and doing yoga, physical vinyasa yoga, twice a day for an hour and a half, and then really diving into the philosophy and the technique and how to teach yoga, how to adjust people, how to really be a yoga teacher to all different levels of ability. You know, whether you're working with someone with a disabled body or somebody who's an advanced athlete, how do you teach to these different levels? And then how do you work with people beyond the physical and dealing with the emotional and the mental and the meditation, so that they can let go of the trauma that's holding them back, so that they can move forward in their life and really embrace this higher level of existence, this inner joy. And my book, Journey to Joyful, is being published this 2011, and so we'll be teaching from some of that book, which really incorporates a lot of Ashtanga and the Eightfold Path, and a lot of different elements of the Bhakti, and a lot of real stories from people who have had transformations in their life. And anyway, we're going to be also teaching from the manual and specific sequences, very simple to follow, that you can do in your own life as you practice yoga at home for yourself, and when you go to teach, you know, how to teach a simple sequence and then build from there. And so all of these systems are going to be incorporated into the teacher training in Bali. And the last week of the teacher training, we're going to be diving into the business of yoga, how to market yourself, multimedia technology, and really how to take your career in the holistic health field to the next level. And my expert background is also in marketing and communication. I went to the University of Florida Atlantic University, and so I studied a lot about that. It's really implementing all of these strategies so you can accelerate yourself and reach the highest level of physical, mental, emotional, and financial success in your life. And so I really look forward to joining with you all in Bali, and the applications are available on my website. You can go to pranashama.org. The teacher training is filling up quickly, so contact me if you have any questions, and I look forward to hearing from you soon and sharing time with you in the magical land of Bali. Have a beautiful day, and namaste.